If y coordinate of a point is 0, then this point always lie in first, second, on x or on y. So let's analyze this. This is our origin. A step or two, 3 steps away on to the right is what? 3, 0. Say 2 step up will be 0, 2. So they're asking if y coordinate of a point is 0. So where is it 0 in? It's 0 on the x-axis. So the answer is x-axis. Abscissa of a point is positive. Okay. So what is abscissa to do with? Abscissa has to do with, just a second. Please have a look at this. Abscissa has to do with x-axis. Is it not? And one more thing, x, 0, any point on the x-axis. This is the general format of x, 0. Matlab, any point on the x-axis will have a format of x, 0. Right guys, this is related to the previous problem. So this has to do with x. So if abscissa is positive, of a point is positive, then abscissa of a point is positive in which all places? Well, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. Basically they're telling the x component is 0. Which part will have the x component to be 0? Everything on the right. For example, this would be 1, 2, 3, 3, 1. If you get any dot, just take any random point in each coordinate and you'll get the answer 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be minus 4, 2. Right here we have what? 3, minus 3. So clearly, where is the x-axis positive? It's positive in your second and fourth quadrant. Third also you'll get negative and negative. So clearly we have the answer to be in first and fourth quadrant. Okay. So the same fact is over here, positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, negative and positive, negative. So clearly we have all of it in our data sheet, in a concept map. So you guys can always access the concept map and learn things. Again, learning the concept is important, memorizing something is different. The points whose abscissa and ordinate have different signs will lie in. Where will they be different? Here it's positive, positive. In second quadrant it is negative, positive. Third is negative, negative. Fourth is positive, negative. Okay. So we have this to be positive, negative, and this is no. This is negative, positive, and this is positive, negative. So we have it in second and fourth quadrant. Okay. If the perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis is 5 unit and the foot of the perpendicular lies on the negative direction of the x-axis, then the point P has dash as, well, this one. What do you think the answer is? If the perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis, so perpendicular distance is something like this. So a perpendicular line with respect to x-axis is this. Right. Okay, if the perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis is 5 unit. So basically it is 3, 4, 5, somewhere over there along this line. Okay, it can be any one of this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or any one of this line. Any point on this line, that is. And the foot of the perpendicular lie on the negative direction of the x-axis. So basically negative direction of the x-axis means this side. So basically something like this. So this is your perpendicular line. This is possible. And the point P has x is equal to minus 5. That's true. Y coordinate is 5 only. Y coordinate is minus 5 only. And coordinate, y coordinate is 5 or minus 5. Oh sorry, answer A is not possible. So it has to be that we are clear with the height. Okay, we are clear with how far it is from the x-axis. So we are clear with the height. It can be either y can be your positive 5, if not negative 5. So this is a good question. Okay guys, this is something that you guys can make a note of. Let me explain this again. The perpendicular distance of the point P. So point P, perpendicular distance from the x-axis. See, this is the x-axis. Agree? Perpendicular line will be something like this or something like this, or all this is a possibility. Is it not? Now the question is, the foot of the perpendicular line lies on the negative direction of the x-axis. That is, it lies this part of the x-axis. Agree? Then the point P has dash, which is for sure. We are sure that the point P is, right, 5 units up and 5 units down. Either of this, we don't know which exactly is it. And x component is not clear. They have not spoken about x component. They just told you about y component, right? So we are 5 units up, if not 5 units down. So we are clear with y, not with x. Okay guys, so this is an important question. So I feel this is the most difficult question till now, including your normal exercise question as well.